Welcome back. Well, it was a beauty out there today by winter standards. Temperatures starting out in the chill zone in the mid 40s, topping out in the lower 60s, 63 the high. Check out just last year back in 2022, 84 degrees on this day. So big difference between year to year for sure, and sometimes around here from day to day. And we might see that as well going into this weekend. So let's take a look at the big picture as we put the water vapor imagery in motion. And right now we have high pressure overhead. That allowed for at least sunny skies today, but just on the heels of that high pressure as it pushes off to the east, here comes the high level moisture, the high clouds coming back in, and they'll gradually thicken over the next couple of days ahead of our next weather maker that is impacting the Pacific Northwest now, producing rain at lower elevations, snow at higher elevations, winter weather advisories, and also flood watches in effect, because this next weather system is going to bring an atmospheric river with it, and that means heavy rainfall and the possibility of big flooding, mudslides, the whole 9 yards. But good snows, and they need the moisture out here as much of the west still in the drought, especially as you go farther north from California. Meanwhile, high pressure still dominant at the surface, but is shuttled off to the east. We still have a very light northeast wind. That means our winds will turn easterly and maybe even southeasterly or east southeasterly overnight tonight, but not before temperatures chill down. Now, today I'm showing a product that's a little bit different here. This is the 500 millibar pattern with the lines in the blue and the red, but I'm showing you 700 millibar relative humidity here that's above 70%. This is usually where you'll see your clouds and generally rain chances. And here we are going into Friday as we look at the Euro model. Friday at about noon, it's going to be a little bit of a disturbance. We see a little kink right here, and this is more instructional maybe to the meteorologists in the group that are watching us, but maybe a sprinkle or a shower or two. But then we see that big trough developing in the nation's midsection. We're going to have that big round of showers and storms, especially north of Acadiana, and a conveyor belt of moisture going all the way up through the northeast. And then after that, that trough passes by, we cool off, and then the next one begins to take shape that could impact us next weekend, but that is not overtly clear. So in the near term, we're looking at temperatures chilling down into the mid to upper 30s as high pressure shuttles off to the east. So a chilly start to our Thursday. Thursday afternoon, cool again, 63 to 65 for the high, but notice our winds coming out of the south, so that means tomorrow night not as cool. We'll favor upper 40s, lower 50s with the clouds thickening up, and then Friday maybe a few spotty light showers. They'll be quick moving. It will get breezy and it will be milder. Temperatures get into the low to mid 70s, and here comes that frontal boundary going into Saturday morning, breezy and mild. We start out in the 60s Saturday morning and touch the upper 70s, maybe near 80 in a few spots, and there may be a few showers in the afternoon, but this is what we were looking for in the latest graph model run. A little bit of a squall line developing here, and there could be some severe weather with this as well. There's pretty strong wind dynamics aloft. The greatest risk of severe weather looks like eastern Texas, western northern Louisiana, Acadiana on the edge. And again, this is a day 4 outlook, even though it's 3 days down the road. We'll see what the Storm Prediction Center does with this outlook area come tomorrow. We'll start being able to show you where the marginal risk is as well. That slight risk, a level 2 out of 5. As for rainfall, today's model run looks more accurate. We think it's going to be less than an inch of rain for most of us. Could see an isolated spot or two that catches 2 inches of rain. Most of us about a ½ inch of rain. So this is not like the big soaker we had late last week. Overnight tonight, this is the frost zone, northern parishes of Acadiana, where we'll get down into the mid-30s, upper 30s to near 40, and it depends on that high cloud cover on how chilly we get or don't get. If it's thicker and the stars are really dulled or you can't see them, we're not going to go much below 40, and then upper 30s, lower 40s along the coast. Then tomorrow, nice warm-up after that. As we indicated, we'll see temperatures in the 60s. We hold near 50 tomorrow night, and then as we head into Friday afternoon, here comes the yellow. That means 70-degree temperatures back once again. So 40 the overnight low in Lafayette. Overall, generally fair skies out there. That waning crescent moon very late in the night. You see that in the eastern sky after about 2 or 3 in the morning. 65 the high tomorrow. Another nice one indeed with high clouds from time to time. As we move it into the 10-day forecast, there's that slight chance of a quick passing shower Friday. Storms late Saturday. I think it's going to be more Saturday night now or Saturday evening at 90%. And then breezy, sharply cooler, and we'll go from 80 degrees Saturday afternoon down to near freezing by Sunday night. Cool week next week, but it looks to be dry. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.